Cage out because I tried to get him in the cage and he was like, yeah, no.
This jail.
Yeah.
I paid those tickets, I swear.
And then like an idiot, I didn't think to put a blanket over him. I was running late. I should have stuck a towel or blanket over the cage to bring him here. But I wasn't thinking.
All right, it is Thursday morning. We're at Bayview, and this cute little guy here has an overgrown beak, and we're going to do some trimming on it. And what else can I tell you? We do this pretty frequently. It's usually pretty safe. I'll just spend a few minutes making sure that they're breathing okay and there's not too much stress, no coughing, sneezing, signs of diarrhea. Hell, he hadn't even pooped yet. I find that odd for a bird. Anyway, just like to spend a few minutes checking them out. And this is going into minute 3. Now I'm going to sit still. Very cool. What? Nope, he's close. Run, run. All right, got to catch you. Be a good bird.